guys, due to COVID, I came back to my campus after 1 year in IIT Roorkee. Today I will show you my room. Okay guys, I will show you my room. So here you can see the space is much sufficient, and this is actually two sharing room. Here is this almirah and quite good amount of space here to keep clothes, books, and other items. Bed, that's also fine. And this is study desk. It has much space to keep book on the study table. And here you can see space is enough. One chair and one study table they have given for each person, and extra two tables they have given us. We can keep luggage here also, and room has a good visibility. Cooling in room is also fine. Here is passing, there is no any blockage. And this is window view outside, that's also good. And from here you can see also space is quite sufficient for the two person. So basically room is quite big, and two chairs, two tables, two almirahs, two beds, and sufficient amount of space. Easily two person can live together. Okay, I'll update you more. Stay tuned.